How to fix Discord not opening. So first, what you need to do is go to your desktop and then click on hold and press on Windows key on your keyboard, and then just click on R. Next is you're going to see something like this. Okay, once you've done that, you just need to type in this percent app data and percent, and then just click on OK. Next, you will be transferred here. So once this is opens, you just need to click on Discord folder, open it, and then you will see something like this. Once you're in the Discord folder, you just need to delete this cache here, and then this code cache, and then just this GPU cache. Now if you can't delete this, maybe your Discord is open and running in the background. So in order for you to close that, you just need to go to this icon here on your desktop, click on this one, and then it will open something like this, and then just right click on Discord icon here, and then click on quit Discord. And then once you've done that, you just need to go back to the folder and then try and delete the cache, code cache, and then the GPU cache again, and then that's it. Your problem solved. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.